Good Friday morning, friends. It's me, Terry Lambertson. This is what I have for you today. What I have for you today is a look at, you know, in our society, a lot of people have a hard time apologizing or saying that they're sorry. And so there are some phrases that have begun to be used as apologies that are not apologies. And here they are. You are taking it the wrong way. You're being too sensitive. It's not my fault you feel that way. Let's forget it ever happened. I only said that because of the way you acted. I'm sorry, but. Okay, when somebody says but, it means everything that comes after that is garbage, trash. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry, is what's about to happen. You know I didn't mean it that way. I will apologize if. I love you. Let's just move on. I don't know anyone else who would get upset over this. It was a joke. Relax. This must be a trigger for you. You were kinda asking for it. You are overreacting. What about that time you shouldn't get upset over it. You just don't take it personally. I didn't know. I didn't know you'd make such a big deal out of it. And while, friends, we shouldn't wait around waiting for somebody to apologize, and that doesn't mean that we should be the first to apologize necessarily, although I always am, because I will apologize for the sun shining outside, which probably isn't fabulous either. And there are some things that even the most eloquent apology will not take away. But don't stay stuck waiting for an apology that's never coming. All right, you guys, I hope you all have a fabulous Friday. I will be with you again on Saturday morning. I'll see you then, friends. Bye now.